Many cleaning businesses and facilities across the globe have a quality checks or inspection system in place, but it's limited. Some are stuck using pen and paper and dealing with other issues such as employee accountability and client and employee turnover. But there's a solution. Janitorial Manager's quality checks and inspections feature. Our quality checks are different, which gives you a number of benefits such as conducting quality checks seamlessly using our QR code technology through the JM Connect mobile app. Schedule reoccurring quality checks at specific areas or perform on-the-spot unscheduled quality checks with just a quick scan of the QR code. JM's quality checks allow you to recognize your employees' hard work, driving employee retention. But that's not all. You also have a trail of documentation with completed quality checks, which can be shared with clients, key stakeholders, or employees. Elevate reporting by uploading pictures, sharing comments, and signatures for in-depth reporting. Pinpoint complaint areas and locations to evaluate cleaners so that you can make informed decisions. Also praise employees who are exceeding expectations. Everyone wants to be told they're doing a great job. Janitorial Manager's checklists enhance the consistency of your organization's cleaning, elevating standards from the very first use. Checklists encourage accountability, ensuring top-notch service every time. It simplifies every task for your team and adds a sparkle to the cleaned areas. Boost retention rates with the credibility of ISSA's or APA's official grading system. Why wait? Make the switch today and take complete control of your cleaning operation.